Is weightlifting or weight training dangerous? So if you start looking at some of the medical data and survey data that we have on this topic, you'll find, not especially. All right. A lot of folks think that if they're going to train in the gym, especially if they train heavy in the gym, it's going to create a whole bunch of injuries, but that's not really true, right? The injury rates are relatively low, and they're also very comparable to other forms of fitness. So talking about, let's say, running, I've read a few studies where recreational, let's say handball, right, squash, tennis actually create more injuries than just working out in the gym. All right. There's definitely fewer injuries in strength training compared to contact sports and other field sports, right? And this is with high levels of participation and high levels of competition. So elite level bodybuilding, Olympic weightlifting, powerlifting, and strongman are going to be lower than contact sports, right? And field sports. So really, the benefits of strength training far outweigh the negatives, right? And if you want to have an in-depth breakdown of some of these injuries and injury rates, I did an entire show about this, right? I'll allow you to click this. There'll be a link right above. And if you're listening to this via podcast, I'm going to leave the link in the show notes. Okay. So definitely check that out if you'd like me to go a little bit more in depth about injury rates and CrossFit specifically.